Damn. It's kind of rainy, but kind of cold. At least trying to get some food. Ugh. Burritos and sausage. And Coke? That's a good meal to me. A very good meal. Wait a minute. Huh? Kato, what are you doing?
I'm in the bag.
Why do you sound like that?
I don't know for me.
You always had a bunch of kids, didn't you?
Yep.
Just get out.
No, no,
Don't make me. Ow! 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 Why do you scratch me? Mm. Oh, my voice is gone? Damn it. I like my voice like that. What? Anyway, it's raining. Wait, what? What? Wait, why'd you go over there? I don't like the water. What? You don't look that bad. See? You feel perfectly normal. That's because you're on the roof. Bruh. Come on. Does feel that cold, doesn't it? Yeah, it does feel fine. No, I don't like it. Come here, I like the right. No, meow, meow, meow. Hey, come on, chill, calm down. Ah! I said calm down. Meow. Ah, ah, leave me alone. Ah, ow, ow. Oh God, oh God. Where am I? Ah, don't touch me. What? Ow. Oh, there's sharing a view. What was that for? That kind of hurted my feelings. Yeah. Leave me alone. I want me to warm again. God damn it, Cat Toad.